Magla-lunch kami sa labas, tapos magpunta kami ng aviation museum ba yun, sabi ni Dick. At saka pag may time pa, punta kami ng Lake Iriaba, sabi niya. At saka bisitahin yung auntie niya, yung na-meet din namin kagabi. So alis muna kami, alauna na dito, medyo late kasi nagpakain pa ako kay baby girl kanina. She saw the toys, Daddy. Why did you put her down? Let's go. Oh, tara. Later na, later. Diyan na kami breakfast / lunch. You want some fries? Is it hot? Hot daw, hot. Hot? Sobrang laki. Someone is struggling. Laki naman ang burger. Kalaki. I know. Dami kasing langaw. You can do it. Uh-oh. Show daddy that. Show that to daddy. Baby? Nga, namuha na ng stuffed toy, oh. Go. Go to daddy.
Go.
Yes, go. Moon? Someone. What's your step? Down? Yes, here. We're here inside. Oh, ang may gasolina. Jet, baby, oh. Ay. Go. Oh, yeah, it's an airplane. Yeah, airplane. Look, oh, this is a big airplane. Oh, this is the wing. Oh, it's a big one. Look at that. Yeah, like this one. I think this is the one that can zoom. Look at that. It's a small plane, baby. Uniform ng Air Force ba to? Ito yung mga gamit pang pang digmaan. Ito yung engine. Oh, grabe. Di mo akalain na mag-flip to sa yung papawid. Kaya ang lalaki. Amazing. Yung bata, oh. Asa airplane? Asa ang airplane? Here! See, we're in the airplane tail. It's a bit scary, baby. Yeah.
All the aircraft built.
Yeah, but it's famous Rolls-Royce Merlin engine, capable of 1,710 horsepower. We don't use those horsepowers, we don't need to. We're here to preserve the aeroplanes, so no issue.
Itong isa, oh. Busy. Walk. Puro aeroplano pala to na ginamit ng World War II. Burton Elementary Flying Training School.
So Australia was only ever attacked in war, and that was
The date of the attack? What is that?
1950.
Japanese began air raids on Darwin.
that was the only time that Australia ever saw war. Look how young they are.
How young could you be? Because you know the tunnels that the Vietnamese made.
Bye-bye! Ilan na spider? Oy, no. Baka pumasok dyan sa loob. Dito yung air show, pag mayroon. Kaya lang wala. Kasi tayo. Ito na kami sa may lake.
Well, I don't know about that. We'll get 10 today. Sure.
Yeah. Yay! The dog. Ito yung pangalan ng Lake Centenary. Ayan. Malamig daw yung tubig, sabi ni Di at saka ni Seb. Ayan. Sikat tayo na, kung saan napunta. Dito na kami sa bahay ng auntie ni Di. First time ko dito. Ang batang to,
That was a museum.
Press the button, this one. Press this one. This one like it.
Did you decide that? Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's here. Go. Here. Yeah.
So we should move.
What is that? Bisita ikaw kay Nana? Oo, walk. Huwag kang manguha ng ano dyan bulaklak. Go straight, walk straight. No, it's not Nana. There. Go straight. Go straight. Oh, go to Dada. Go to Daddy. Oh, there's a butterfly. Not here, please. Sorry. Kami lang yung tao. Ngayon. Walang ibang ano dito. Bisita. Go to Nana. Say hi, Nana. Hello. Say hello. Oh, what are you? I'm trying to grab things there. Pa. Wala dito na side. Kaandun kay Seb. Yun, andun daw. Ha? Ang ganda ng cemetery nila dito. Sobrang organized. Hindi ka makakagawa ng kababalaghan dito. Kumpara dyan sa ating sa Pinas. Alam niyo nang ibig sabihin ng kababalaghan na sinasabi ko. There you are. Catriona, who is this? Nana. Yeye, papapi. It's Nana. Yeah, it's Nana. Ikaw ha? Whoa, ice cream time. Ooh, it's dinner time.
Where's my girl?
Oh no, she's about to start crying.
Yay! Hop the money, hop, hop the money, hop the money.